Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making churro cheesecake. It's a quick, simple recipe that anyone can make. Let's get started. First things first, you're gonna need 2 eggs, 2 8-ounce cream cheese, vanilla, condensed milk, sour cream, cinnamon sugar, and 2 Pillsbury croissant rolls. With any baking dish, I use a 3.2 by 8.9 inches. Let's get started. Make sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the cream cheese. Then add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Grab your hand mixer and start mixing. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature. And don't make the same mistake I did by not leaving my cream cheese at room temperature. Now grab your condensed milk. Now pour it all in. Make sure to scrape everything out. Now go ahead and grab your hand mixer. Just make sure it's all smooth. Now we're adding eggs one at a time in a separate bowl. Mix it once again and repeat. Now we're adding our vanilla. I use about 2 cups, which equals about 1 tablespoon. And one last quick mix. You should end up with this consistency. Set aside your mix and grab your baking dish. You're going to lather a thin layer of vegetable shortening or baking spray for the cinnamon sugar to stick. Grab the cinnamon sugar and sprinkle all over your dish. Make sure you get it everywhere, including the sides of the pan. The more the better. Now grab your croissant rolls. Make sure to pop it open and roll it out onto the pan, laying flat. Just like that. And now flatten the ends with your fingers. Now add your mixture in. Now carefully add your last croissant roll and push outward to fill out the gaps. And one last time, grab your cinnamon sugar and cover the whole sheet. Now it's ready to go into the oven. Now bake your cheesecake for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes are up, I take out the cheesecake and let it cool down completely. Once it's cooled down, I transfer the cheesecake to the refrigerator and leave it overnight. Now you can put your own toppings or eat it how it is. I like putting chocolate drizzle or strawberries. Either way, it's yummy. but this is how I make my churro cheesecake. Please leave a comment if you're going to make it or have, and don't forget to leave a like and share this video and subscribe. Until next time,